Morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is agriculture. This is the fourth chapter. Is it clear? The second chapter and third chapter that will be counted for the PD assessment, that will not come in your board exam. So this is the fourth chapter, agriculture. This is a very common word for us that everyone is very familiar with this agriculture. Actually, this is the combination of two words, that is agri and culture. So agri and culture, the meaning is, it is a Latin word. Agri means land and the culture means cultivation. So agriculture is the science or practice of farming, including cultivation of soil for growing crops and rearing of animal to provide food, wool and other products. So this is the agriculture. Agriculture of any country is the backbone for their economy. As in India, agriculture is the backbone of our country. It provides employment to the large number of people. So in this chapter, we will discuss about the geography in the India. So first of all, India is an agriculturally important country. The two-thirds of your population is depend on agriculture. Number of people are engaged in the agricultural activities. Agriculture is a primary activity. As we have discussed earlier, there are the three kinds of activities like primary activity, secondary and the tertiary. Primary activity, that directly you can use it from the nature, that you are getting from the nature. You are getting the soil, you are getting the water. So directly you can use. So this is the reason agriculture is a primary activity which produce most of the food that we consume. That what you are eating nowadays, that you are getting from the agriculture. Beside food grain, it also provide raw material of the various industry. As in the class 8 we have discussed about the industry. So it was based on agro based industry, forest based industry, marine based industry, many kind of industries. So agriculture based industry which provide us the various type of raw material for the various industry. Can you name some industries based on the agriculture and raw material? आप बता सकते हैं that some industries based on the agricultural raw material, like your sugar industry, like your wheat industry, they are getting the raw material from the agriculture. Moreover, some agriculture products like tea, coffee, spices, like beverage crops, you are getting from the this agriculture. You know that this agriculture is having a 7 branches, like you that is pisciculture, horticulture, viticulture, sericulture, animal husbandry and forestry. So these are the different branches of the agriculture. Now let us discuss about the types of farming. Agriculture is an age old economic activity in our country. So आज से ही नहीं, बहुत पुराने समय, the earlier man was there. They started toiling with the land. They have their own tools, they have their own weapons. So they started doing the agriculture. Over these years, cultivation method have changed significantly depending upon the characteristic of physical environment, technological know-how and socio-cultural practices. It means there are different factors which affect the agriculture. If we will talk about the earlier people, so they were doing the agriculture with their primary tools. They were having the wooden tools, they were having the iron tools, they are doing the agriculture with that. But now the time is changing. तो जैसे ही समय बीतता गया, so there are lots of technological changes. That time they have their फावड़ा, दरंती, these are the typical tools उनका use करते थे. But now we have a advance in technology and now we have a different kind of characteristics in the tool. So we are using that for the agriculture purpose. At present, in different part of India, the following types of farmings are practiced. So the first is the primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is still practiced in the few pocket of India. In the few pocket of India means it is a phrase. Few pocket of India, कुछ ही उसमें ये पाई जाती है, करी जाती है आज की डेट में. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on small patch of land. Like I am the farmer. I have a very small patch of land. I don't have sufficient money. So what I am doing, my whole family is engaged in that agricultural activity. I am growing I'm having the kitchen garden. ऑन स्मॉल पैच लैंड पे मैंने छोटा सा अपना एक खेत बना लिया, उसमें मैं एग्रीकल्चर करते हैं. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फार्मिंग डिपेंड अपॉन द मॉनसून, कि बारिश होगी, सॉइल अच्छी है तो उसमें एग्रीकल्चर कर लेंगे. अदरवाइज वी आर नॉट इनपुटिंग लाइक HYV seeds or any artificial things, any pesticide or any good kinds of fertilizer. We are not inputting that because this is based on the family package. family ही इसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व होती है. नो नीड ऑफ द बिग लेबर, बहुत बड़े लेबर की ग्रुप की नीड नहीं होती है इसके अंदर. एंड सिंपली दे आर डूइंग विद द डाउ डिगिंग स्टिक्स के साथ ही उसको वो यूज़ करते हैं, उसी के थ्रू ये करते हैं. सो द नेक्स्ट इज़ it is a slash and burn agriculture. It is a slash and burn. It is a very common word for you. Slash and burn, जलाना और उसको राख बन जाती है, तो slash and burn. Farmer clear a patch of land. Farmers जो होते हैं land को clear करते हैं and produce cereal and other food crop to sustain their family. So nomadic herdings आपने सुना होगा. Nomad people, they leave the one place and move to another place. What they did in the past, पहले वो क्या करते थे, they are living at one place. अगर वो एक जगह पर रह रहे हैं, so they move to another place after some time, because when they start to digging a land, so just to retain its fertility, just to replenish them, कि वो ज़मीन दोबारा से fertile हो जाए, तो it needs some natural resources through the water, rain water, through the sunlight, through the wind. So उसको थोड़ी देर के लिए खाली छोड़कर चले जाते हैं. और उसे जलाते क्यों हैं? द रीज़न इज़ दैट कि जो भी आपके वो पेड़ पौधे या जो जला के वो चले जाते हैं, उसके जितने भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं, दैट मर्ज इनटू द सॉइल, वो सॉइल के अंदर ही मर्ज हो जाते हैं. सो व्हेन द सॉइल फर्टिलिटी डिक्रीजेज, द फार्मर शिफ्ट एंड क्लियर अ फ्रेश पैच ऑफ लैंड फॉर कल्टिवेशन. वो दूसरी जगह पर कल्टिवेशन के लिए चले जाते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ शिफ्टिंग अलाउज नेचर टू रिप्लेनिश द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल. If we are doing the cultivation on the same land again and again and again, so what happen? The soil, the land loses its fertility. उसकी fertility कम हो जाती है. Just to replenish it, we have to leave it for some time. Now, through the natural process like the rain, like sun, like water, like wind, land productivity in this type of agriculture is low as the farmer does not use fertilizer. नो मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट लाइक आप कहें कि वो थ्रेशर कंबाइनर का यूज़ कर रहा है, तो नो, ही इज़ नॉट यूजिंग दैट. इट इज़ नोन बाय द डिफरेंट नेम इन द डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. द वन मोस्ट एग्जाम्पल इन योर नॉर्दर्न ईस्टर्न स्टेट, दैट इज़ योर असम, मेघालय, मिजोरम, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, बस्तर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, छत्तीसगढ़. दीज आर अंडमान एंड निकोबार इन द साउथ. सो वहाँ पर इनको हम अलग अलग नाम से जानते हैं. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द झूमिंग कल्टिवेशन. झूमिंग कल्टिवेशन के नाम से इसको वहाँ जाना जाता है. Now it is also known as by the different name in the different part of the world. झूमिंग is a slash and burn agriculture, is known as a milpa in Mexico, Central America, Concu in the Venezuela, Roca in the Brazil, Masol in the Central Africa, Ladang in Indonesia, Ray in the Vietnam. In India, this primitive form of cultivation is called the Bivar, Dhaiya in Madhya Pradesh, Puddu or Penda in Andhra Pradesh, पम्मा दाबी और कुमान और बिरंगा इन ओडिशा, कुमारी इन वेस्टर्न घाट, वलेर और वल्टेर इन साउथ ईस्टर्न राजस्थान, खील इन द हिमालयन बेल्ट, कोरुआ इन झारखंड, एंड झूमिंग इन द नॉर्दर्न ईस्टर्न रीजन. सो we come to know that this झूमिंग cultivation, this slash and burn agriculture is known by the different name in the different part of our country as well as in the world. So this is the chapter, this is the topic that we have discussed about the primitive subsistence farming. Thank you.